time I've ever seen a computer? How about the first mathematical theory I've fixed with your technical paper? And lastly, what was the message you sent to your girlfriend or to your boyfriend? Could you still remember when? If not, this kinetic design will let you realize when those moments were and recognize the genuine source who made those moments possible. At this time, I am explaining to you our thematic design. The cross! The cross symbolizes the center of every Christian's life. But to be more specific, the cross symbolizes the Christ-like life that every holy Christian should have. We are here right now, present at the foremost date of Enchimil 2009. Therefore, we must thank God for He has given us the air to breathe to go on with our journey in life. The tree! The tree symbolizes the ultimate home where we belong, the Holy Cross of Davao College. Holy Cross of Davao College never fails to stand firm for its people. It continues to build a community of generous hearts and helping hands. Therefore, Holy Cross is the ideal model of stewardship. The hands! The hands are the life that give life to the tree. The leaves are the hands. In photosynthesis, it is the major sign, the leaves. Therefore, it gives life to the tree by producing carbohydrates and sugar to the people. In our thematic design, the hands are the breath that give life to Holy Cross. It means that these hands are the Holy Crosses equipped with skills and talents who have a perfect model of stewardship. The ball. The ball symbolizes sportsmanship. It tells us that every presenter, every player, and every judge should be fair to everyone. The hot gear. The hot gear symbolizes the 12 programs that participate in this thematic design. We have the Bachelor of Arts, College of Engineering and Technology, Library of Science, Bachelor of Science and Accountancy, Business Administration, Maritime Transportation, and the Criminology. We have the water. The water symbolizes the teachers, our facilitators for this event. Therefore, they are the ones who are guiding us to have a better intramural this day. And lastly, the remote gears. In engineering terms, the gear means stepper motor. It converts electrical pulses in order to produce a one revolution that has discrete individual steps. Each revolution that this gear makes, a life is touched and molded. Therefore, we, the engineers and the IT professionals, build your dreams. We are the designers of your computers that run